I'm going to go through quick how to form a web page for what a teacher would probably put together. And so this might be helpful for you. If I go too fast, no need to worry. You can always rewind and see what I've done. But I'm going to see how far I could get within 10 minutes time, because that's how much time I have to make this clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I have a teacher's page already set for this example. And on my attachments, we went over attachments. That video will tell you a little bit more if you don't remember. But I have attached some images that I'm going to be using for this page. I'm going to attach one more just for the sake of practice, and choose that. And there we've attached our last attachment for this page. I'm going to click on Edit Page, and I'm going to choose Layout, and I'm going to choose a 2-column layout. So you'll see that there's 2 columns now. Okay, and I'm going to just go ahead, I have something already typed out here. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that right here as like a welcome intro. Okay, and press return at the end, and then I'm going to insert a table. Okay, so I'm going to insert a table, probably 4 by 2. Okay, and on this table I'm going to start putting pictures in. So based on my attachments, what I have here, I'm going to place them in here. So I'm going to go to Insert, and you see all the images that show. I'm going to choose this one, Add Image. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the next cell underneath, and I'll insert another one. Okay, Add Image. I'll go to the second one, Insert, and I'll just go ahead and keep doing this for every cell. Okay. Now you can choose however the dimensions you want. If you want it to be longer, or you can choose, it's up to you. It doesn't have to be exactly the way I do it, but this is just, like I said, an example for you to follow, and you can feel free to get creative with this. Okay, the hardest part is getting everything down first, but the easy part is that you can always update things later. Okay. Alright. And that would be my last one. You see all my images are here. Okay, and I can go ahead and I want the images to be aligned center. So if I click on the image, I could click on center. It'll keep everything centered. So you click on the image, click on center, and that should do it for each one. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on an image at the end of the image and press return, and I'm going to write or designate what each of these links will go to. Okay, click at the end of the image, and you see how the cursor is at the end of the image, and I just press return, and I have it. I'll click on the end of that image, return again. Photos at the end of that image. Whoops. Undo. Okay, that one's not working, so I'll just go ahead and make that smaller. There we go. And then call this and if the images are small, you can always reduce them to a smaller size. Okay, and that's what I have so far for a link. So this could, as you can see, all these images from the attachments have been now included in this table. Okay, we're going to come back to this later. I'm going to go to this second column, and my cursor's there. I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert. I'm going to include a text box. Okay, and for this text box, let's see what I have here. I'm going to write down special events for this one. It could be whatever you want. This is just something that I can use for now to show what we can do with text boxes. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Save. Okay, and then I'm going to make another T box. I'm going to click at the end of that text box, press Return. I'm going to insert another text box or another gadget based on what you want. Okay, let's see what I have here. Projects. Okay, and I'm just going to put random dates. Doesn't mean I know what's going on. These are just so this kind of gives you an idea of what you can do with these text boxes. Okay, and that's what I'm going to stop right there. That way you guys have time to kind of digest this whole thing. I know I kind of went fast, but the next section I'm going to continue. I'm going to go over how to connect these links. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right after this.